Hare Krishna, I am Sunita Sunel with you in 2-minute Mahabharata stories. Let us continue. I know you are all waiting for this. It is chapter 11, verse 53 of Bhagavad Gita. Naham vedaina tapasa na dhanena na sejyaya shakya evam vido drashtum Drashtavanasi mam yatha. Krishna says, neither by studying the Vedas, nor by severe austerities, nor by charity, nor by worship, rituals, can I be seen in this form as you have seen me. The meaning, Krishna tells to Arjuna, that terrifying cosmic Vishwarupa you just saw, you can't earn it with rituals, donations, penance, or even Vedic study. It is not bought with effort. It is revealed through grace and surrender. Arjuna saw it only because Krishna chose to show it. The moral is, real seeing comes from bhakti, not just karma or jnana. Love opens the door that study alone cannot. Let us understand this in detail. The form you are seeing with your transcendental eyes cannot be understood simply by studying the Vedas, nor by undergoing serious penances, nor by charity, nor by worship. It is not by these means that one can see me as I am. Let us see the purport. Krishna first appeared before his parents, Devaki and Vasudeva, in a four-handed form, and then he transformed himself into the two-handed form. This mystery is very difficult to understand for those who are atheists or who are devoid of devotional service. For scholars who have simply studied Vedic literature by way of grammatical knowledge or mere academic qualifications, Krishna is not possible to understand, nor is he to be understood by persons who officially go to the temple to offer worship. They make their visit, but they cannot understand Krishna as he is. Krishna can be understood only through the path of devotional service, as explained by Krishna himself in the next verse. So let us continuously watch to understand what it is. Thank you. Good day to all of you.
ಹರೇ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ 11 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 53. ನಾಹಂ ವೇದೈರ್ನ ತಪಸಾ ನ ದಾನೇನ ನ ಚೇಜ್ಜಯಾ ಶಕ್ಯ ಏವಂ ವಿದೋ ದ್ರಷ್ಟುಂ ದೃಷ್ಟವಾನಸಿ ಮಾಂ ಯಥಾ. ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕದ ಭಾವಾರ್ಥ: ವೇದಗಳಿಂದಾಗಲಿ, ತಪಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದಾಗಲಿ, ದಾನಗಳಿಂದಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಯಜ್ಞದಿಂದಾಗಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀನೀಗ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಂಡಂತೆ ಕಾಣುವುದು ಸುಲಭವಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಣಬಹುದಾದಂತಹ ಉಪಾಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲವೇ? ಆತನು ಹೇಳುವನು, ಒಂದು ಉಪಾಯವಿದೆ. ವೇದಾಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಕಠಿಣ ತಪಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ದಾನದಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಪೂಜೆಯಿಂದ ನೀನು ನಿನ್ನ ದಿವ್ಯ ನೇತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವುಗಳಿಂದ ನಾನಿರುವಂತೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಾಣಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವತಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣನೇ ಮುಂದಿನ ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸುವಂತೆ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಸೇವೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ.